Here's how to cancel a subscription or free trial from Apple or the App Store in Settings on your iPhone. Tap your name at the top of the screen, and then tap Subscriptions. A list of your active subscriptions will appear at the top, followed by any inactive ones. When you cancel a subscription, it will be canceled on all your devices signed in with your Apple ID and for anyone connected with family sharing. When you're ready, tap the subscription you'd like to cancel. Then tap Cancel Subscription. A notification will appear letting you know the expiration date, which might be immediately or at a later date depending on the subscription. Tap Confirm to complete the cancellation. To return to your subscriptions, tap the back arrow in the upper left corner of your screen. Canceled subscriptions might still appear in your active list, but will now show an expiration date instead of a renewal date. And that's it. Cancel, confirm, carefree. To learn more about your Apple devices, subscribe to the Apple Support YouTube channel.